My topic is emerging trends in marketing. Before starting the topic, I would like to discuss the meaning of marketing. Marketing means any action or business of promoting and selling products or services, which may include the certain things like research and advertisement, which may indicates that the consumer get maximum satisfaction whatever the goods and services are produced by any kind of organization. So let's start with the meaning of green marketing, which concept is involved under the concept of emerging trends in marketing. So, green or environmental marketing consists of all those activities that are designed to generate and facilitate any exchange which intend to satisfy the human needs and wants, such that the satisfaction of these needs or wants occur with the minimum determinal impact on the natural resources. Whatever the goods and services are produced within the organization, they must be produced to satisfy the needs and wants of the consumer, but with the consent of minimum determinal impact on the natural environment. So here comes the word green. Green means purity, in which the number of goods and services are produced with the fine quality and fair in the just dealing with the consumers. Whatever the organizations build up an advertisement for communicating the product information with the consumer, they should be without the adverse impact on the society. The concept of green marketing, which may concern with the ecological factors in which the human beings or their lives are concerned. So according to the 21st century, marketing includes various modern techniques and which may lead to the lot of problems. With the growth in the marketing activities, which results in the economic growth, mass of production, and with the use of advanced technology and comfortable and luxurious lifestyles, use of unhealthy marketing tactics and techniques to attract more and more customers, these all things leads or created a lot of problem within the economy and put a huge impact on natural environment. So with the increase in the production, it will lead to the excessive pollution, which provokes the natural resources and nature, which starts behaving unnatural way. That may include certain factors, that is global warming, global cooling, heavy rains, droughts, and other natural climates like earthquakes, tsunami, and cyclones. With the growth in economy, like certain number of factors, production and consumptions also increases day by day. So, under the concept of green marketing, it is an attempt to protect the consumer welfare as well as the natural environment through production, consumption, and disposal of eco-friendly products. Basically, the green marketing concerned with the three aspects. That is the promotion of production. Promotion of production and certain kind of consumption includes the pure and quality products. Whatever the firm produce goods and services, the product must be in fine quality and the product must be in the pure form so that the consumer get maximum satisfaction out of the product. Second point is deal with the fair and just dealing with the consumer. Whatever the goods and services are consumed by the consumer and whatever the goods and services is provided by the organization must be fair and crystal clear information should be provided to the consumers. The main basic objective of green marketing is to protection of ecological environment where certain living beings are living. If the environment is protected, automatically the standard of living of the consumer will increase day by day. So the next concept we are going to discuss is the importance of green marketing. So green marketing affects positively and the health of people and ecological environment also affect. People are more aware about the pure product and the pure methods of production and using and disposing of various sort of products. So it encourages the efforts for purity in the production and consumption as well. Now we can witness the following impacts of green marketing. Now the people are insisting the pure product. As we have studied earlier, the According to the advertisement, the consumer get more information about the product and the information is in the clear form. So the consumers are more aware about the product and they insist for the pure production like edible fruits, vegetables, or any kind of organic farming they use in their daily basis. So the impact of green marketing, which may result in the reduction of plastic or plastic-based products. Number of plastic bags or number of plastic things that are used to wrap the number of eatable goods should be reduced under the concept of green marketing. So with this impact, it results to increase in the consumption of herbal products. Consumers are more aware about the products, that what kind of products they need to buy and which may not put any sort of impact on the natural environment. They use herbal products instead of the processed products. So with the concept of the green marketing, it recommending to the use of leaves instead of plastic pieces. They can use the jute and cloth bags instead of plastic carry bags. It will lead to the increase of biofertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers. That means which leads to the organic farming and minimum use of pesticides. And worldwide efforts should be adopted to recycle the waste of consumers and industrial products that is produced while production of goods and services in the industries. So it will lead to the increased use of herbal medicines, which results to the natural therapy, and the concept of yoga is adopted by many sort of people to improve their lifestyle. Green marketing put a strict provisions to protect the number of forests, which leads to the protection of rivers, lakes, and seas from pollutions that is created by the industrial while doing their production. So the next concept we are going to discuss under the marketing concept is event marketing. Event marketing concept is related with the concept of globalization. So first of all, we need to discuss the meaning of globalization. Globalization is the process by which the world is becoming increasingly and interconnected as a result of massively increasing in trade and cultural exchange. Globalization has increased the production of goods and services. So with the increase in competition, the pressure also increased on number of organizations which produce the products and services for satisfying the consumer needs. The business must be forcing to build up their business in the professional way and find out the new way to engage and connect it with the number of customers. So there are many definitions of event marketing as it can define the number of sort of principles that are used by the marketing, which leads to focus on face-to-face interaction with the number of customers. The organization can build up this face-to-face interaction through the live events, trade shows, corporate meetings, and many other types of events like music festivals, fairs, exhibitions to promote their product. So we are going to discuss with the various features of event marketing. The very first one is the wide range of events. So event marketing enforces the wide range and the types of events that are mega events, local events, exhibitions, themes or creative events or any sort of award ceremonies can be used under the concept of wide range of events. According to the second point, it results to be goal oriented. It will be fine as if the event and advertising objectives are not achieved through the events, then no matter how people much enjoy the event and how much the popularity the event got, it is completely the failure of the commercial level. So according to the third point, that is the effective promoting and communication. So it is important to get the message across to the target audience, and therefore enough research about the profile of the attendees is important to be enabled to communicate the effective information about the product to the various number of customers. So according to the next point, that leads to the proper evaluation. Event evaluation is the most important and a necessary step that is made by the team to build up the events more efficient and effective next time. It helps to finding out the certain number of mistakes and learn from them. Event evaluation should be done immediately after the event is over or after the next day. A meeting should be conducted